Today I'm going to show y'all how to make a Supreme bot that can be used to buy Supreme way faster than a human could. I have this application that I've created. I'm going to click Run Bot, and you're going to see it's opening up Google Chrome by itself. It's going to choose the size, add it to the cart, and perform the whole checkout for us. It's going to fill out all of these forms by itself. That's it. Only reason why it doesn't run here is because I put in fake card information. We're going to be using Python to do this. Make sure you have an Anaconda environment already set up on your system as well, because that actually is needed to perform the imports that we're going to be using. We're going to have to import Selenium. Selenium is used to open Google Chrome. Once you typed out all your imports, the first thing we're going to do is open Google Chrome. So let's create that right now. WD is going to stand for WebDriver. Okay, this is going to open Chrome for us. So if we click play, right, you saw it open it really quick. I don't know if you guys saw that, but let's actually put a website here. I already have a Supreme link that I'm going to use. I'm just going to copy and paste it there. And I'm also going to put a time sleep. This is important because you want the website to feel like you're a real person. You don't want the website to know that you're a bot. So if everything goes too quickly, this bot isn't going to work, right? Also, with this 3-second sleep time, it's not going to close automatically. So look, we see that it's opened the web page for us. So that's basically the first step. Now, if you're doing any checkout bot, the main thing you're going to need to do, because this can work for almost any checkout bot, the main thing you're going to need to do is inspect the web page. So press F12, and this is going to allow you to figure out, or to actually, this is going to allow you to actually interact with the widgets on the web page. So the first thing we would do is click the drop down, right? Because we're going to choose our size. So let's do that here. We're going to go to copy XPath. We're actually going to have a try and accept. All right, let's create a new variable called dropdown. WD find element. This is where we're going to type the XPath. Now we're going to actually select the size. So we're going to do select by visible text. And it's basically going to look for whatever size that you type in. So the size that I wear is medium. So I'm going to put medium here. Okay. And let's run it. Let's see how it's looking. Okay, I saw it choose medium really quick. Smooth. Let's do the add button because we're gonna do add to cart, right? Web driver, wait. Presence of element located. And we're actually gonna need to get the XPath again for the add button. Okay, copy XPath. Okay. It's literally the same thing for majority of the buttons. Alright, bet. So actually press this button. Alright. Let's run it. chooses medium. Okay, it's not pressing add to cart. Oh, it's because I did presence of all elements located when it should be presence of element located. Let's press run again. It's my bad. Okay, smooth. It added it. So now we just need to hit the checkout button. Alright. We're gonna do the same inspect. So we can get the X path of that. That checkout button. Copy X path. Boom. Let's create our checkout button variable. But I'm gonna be honest, it's literally the same thing as this, so I'm just gonna copy it. Let me check out though. And this is the X path for that. So put that right there, bomb. Okay, and we're gonna do another time sweep because after you press the checkout button, it's gonna open another web page. And like I said, when you're opening another web page, a lot of these web pages are checking if you're a bot or not. So you're gonna need these sleep times. All right, we know that all that works. Let's see if the checkout button's working. It does, right? See, it loads another page. So now we're gonna have to fill out the actual web page. Okay. Fill out the actual form. So let's hit checkout now, so we can see what's up with it. And we're just gonna start filling it out, right? We gotta fill out all these. So fill out. Let's go email. All right, same thing. We're gonna copy the X path. I'm gonna paste it down here. So I already have it. We're gonna actually send keys instead of doing execute script like we did here. Email, send keys. We're gonna type the email that we want. So I'm gonna just do john@gmail.com. All right, and then we're gonna do a time sleep for like 1 second so you can see it. So let's play our bot. There we go. Type the email for us. Quick teams. So let's move it forward. We're gonna have to do the first name, I'm pretty sure. Right? Yep. First name, last name, address. Remember, let me get that. Remember, you gotta get the X path. You copy all of that. Alright, for first name, I'm just put John. We're gonna do the same thing for last name. Since this is so repetitive, like that's the easiest part about it. You can kind of just copy and paste stuff. Oh, I forgot to make this first name. Alright, and then the last name will be Smith. Here we go. Yeah, I kind of thought it should. Alright, whatever. Let's press play again. Just making sure the last name actually goes in the last name field here, and it does. Bad. What's the next fields we have now? Our address, the city, and the postal code. Low-key could skip the state because it does it automatically for you. If coding just isn't your thing and you still want to use a Supreme bot, you can. I actually created one. It's only $10. You're not going to find another Supreme bot on the market for $10. I'm going to be honest with you. So feel free to go to fastestsupremebot.com to get access to it. We get the address right now. We're gonna do copy XPath. Bam. Quick teams. All right. Let's put that right there. We're gonna do another copy and paste, right? So we're just doing the address. Our address, we're gonna do 1001 Brickell Ave. Alright. Let's see what other elements we have. The city. Let's get that XPath. I hope you guys recognize the pattern here. It's for the city. Let's put that XPath there. Okay, we don't need all these sleeps here as well. Alright, after city, let's get the XPath of the phone number real quick. For the phone number, we're just gonna put 305. A random number. Just gonna call this phone. Alright, let's press play. We know the beginning part works, right? Alright, looks good. Here's the phone number. I think we need to do the zip code though. Forgot that. That is one thing we're missing. So let's do that. Paste it here. You know the drill. Just gonna call this zip. Okay. Boom. The zip code we're gonna put. This is the confusing part. You can't just follow. If you try to do the XPath stuff here, it's not gonna work because this credit card form is in a thing called an iframe. So yeah, you're just gonna have to play with the iframes. All right. For the iframes part, I actually had ChatGPT help me. I'm gonna be honest. So I'm gonna just type everything out. Okay. Okay, so this part's actually gonna find the iframe on the web page for us. Now we're gonna actually do the part for the card info. For the iframe, we're not using XPath. We're actually using the partial ID. So that's why you see card fields numbered. For the card number, you can put whatever card number you want, right? Obviously, I'm just gonna put a test one for now. Let's do the expiration date. You actually have to put a slight pause between putting the month and the year. So that's why there's that 0.2 second delay right there. Oh, I forgot to add that here. Okay. So yeah, the car number, the expiration date. What else do we need? The security code and a name on the card now. We're almost done. No way. Alright, so let's do the CVV. And the last one we're going to do is the cardholder name. John Smith. Okay, now let's actually run this function that we created. And let's add a little time sleep so you can see it do its thing. Let's make sure it's working properly. So we're doing this iframe business. All right. We hit play. Make sure the iframe business is working properly. All this should be working. Right. Okay, did all that first. And it's filling out the card information first. All we have to do now is press pay. We're almost done. For the pay button, it's going to be just like how it was for us clicking the other buttons, right? So let's get the X path of that. We're going to call it the pay button. Let's get our X path. Boom. Just put this to 0.5 seconds. I add another time sleep here. Let's see if our bot works. Selects the size for us, adds it to the cart. Goes to the checkout page, fills out the whole page for us. Fills out the card information, presses process payment, and we're good. The only reason why it didn't work is because we're not using correct card information, but we're good. So that's how you make a Supreme bot. I hope y'all learned something and enjoyed this video. If for some reason it's too confusing for you, I am selling a Supreme bot myself that I created. It's literally $10. It's this right here. If you want to just purchase this, you can. I have the link to it right here. All right, but thanks. Hope y'all have a good day. Peace.